Hello, everyone. First of all, thank you, Nitish, Deepa, and Team QuantInsti for inviting me to the convocation of the EPAT program. I'm Nitish Maini, and I'm Vice President, Portfolio Manager, and also the General Manager of the World Quants Virtual Research Center. So according to me, Mike has already shared his wise words with all of us, but according to me, I feel knowing the quant's way of dealing with financial markets is a gift. And dear graduates of the EPAT program, I want to congratulate you for successfully completing the EPAT program of QuantInsti. You are those blooming quants, as one could say, will once become the Usain Bolts or the Michael Phelps of the quantitative trading industry. As Mike highlighted, multiple stories coming in press about quantitative domain. So you would see some of the key stories like the quants run the Wall Street now by Wall Street Journal, or the quants are taking over Wall Street by Forbes. I also participated in many finance conferences over the past years, and one of the key topics in the agenda is to discuss the quant's way of dealing with financial markets. All of these stories and these discussion points in these conferences highlight the need of the talent that understands the algorithmic way of trading the markets. I think all of you made a smart move when you enrolled for the QuantInsti's EPAT program. The EPAT program is a well thought of program that explains the world of quants. It helps one build the skills to develop algorithmic strategies, helps them understand the technology behind it, and monitor the risk in this space. All of you have now successfully completed this course, which makes you relevant for some good opportunities in the quantitative trading space. Partnership of World Quant and QuantInsti is an example of that. World Quant is a quantitative investment firm, and World Quant's Virtual Research Center has already interviewed more than 100 graduates of the EPAT program for its part-time consulting role. The consulting role is a paid opportunity that allows anyone from anywhere to build the quantitative signals using its WebSim platform. These signals can then be used in World Quant's quantitative trading portfolio, and we look forward to creating more opportunity in future and onboarding more individuals who have successfully completed the EPAT program. So before we talk more about the quants, let me share with you an interesting story which underlines the potential of artificial intelligence to do better than humans at complex tasks. Many of you, must have heard about the game of Go. It's an ancient game, most popular in the countries such as China, South Korea, Japan, and it involves two contestants moving black and white stones across a square grid, and it aims to seize the most territory. Its origin dates back thousands of years, and this game is favored by the artificial intelligence researchers because of the large number of outcomes compared to other board games like chess. So Google created an artificial intelligence program called the AlphaGo, which defeated the Chinese grandmaster at the game of Go in May 2017, and it made a history when it beat the top South Korean player in March 2016. So this victory over the world's top players, which many thought would take decades to achieve, underlines the potential of artificial intelligence to do better than humans at complex tasks. Similar is the world of quants. It involves a lot of coding, trading ways of managing the financial markets. So let's talk a little that how the space of quants is different from other kinds of investment strategies. To me, a quant or a quantitative analyst, in the broadest sense, is an individual dealing with the financial modeling of the financial markets with an idea that the application of mathematics to the world of finance can draw potentially profitable insights to bridge the gap between what is known and what can be predicted about the future with a fair amount of certainty. So in short, quants develop rule-based strategies, as all of you know very well now, using the computer models to identify the investments and to execute most of the trades. And diversification is the important element in successful trading. Due to this automation and coded algorithms, quants can identify, trade, monitor multiple strategies across many markets. And by doing so, they're likely to have a smoother equity curve due to diversification. They can also take advantage of huge data revolutions. So the life of a quant is a quest to dig gold mines, with these gold mines being these quantitative predictive models. These models consume a lot of data, and a lot of computer models keep running to generate some success in the markets. And I think the way of quants involves less human involvement as compared to other investment strategies, which reduces the burnout and execution mistakes. So as in the game of Go, the grandmaster for the first 100 moves played perfectly against the Go playing machine before a sudden twist costed him the game. And all of you, now after completing the EPAT program, has already understood and learned these key skills which are required to be successful in quantitative domain. So sharing with my experience of being a quant for more than 6 years now, I find the world of quants very dynamic and evolving. I see the space as a space full of opportunities. I see many successful organizations or upcoming asset managers trying to learn those skills of how they should become a quant. I believe you made a good move at the right time when this industry is in its growth mode by building these skills required to be a part of this world. So I want to wish you all the best for a successful future and want to congratulate you again for successfully completing the EPAT program. Thank you.